Understanding and using the main menu in Tracker RMS. In the top right corner of your screen, you're going to want to click on your name to view the main menu. And here you'll be able to select the territory that you're currently working in. If you have multiple territories, you should see the rest listed here. And the first tab we're going to discuss is My Settings. If you click into My Settings, you can view a few different options. We've got General Settings, which is mostly information about you, the user, including your email, your address, password to log into Tracker, information about your organization and your time zone, and any view preferences that you might have. I personally like my startup page to have my activities listed, but as you can see in the drop down, you can choose multiple different options. And then moving down, we can see that our next tab is My Email Signature and Alias. Above here, you can see that all of the information I type in will populate in my email signature. If I go ahead and select company standard email signature, all of the information that I've populated up here will reflect down here. You can also build out an email alias if you choose to do so. And as we scroll down, we'll see the My Alert section, which is allowing you to set up alerts within the database, such as user activity alerts, or candidate alerts, maybe when a new candidate has registered or applied for a job. And then we've got our plugins, which is where you would go to enter your credentials for various types of integrations that we have here in Tracker RMS. And please just remember that some of these integrations don't come with a system such as ZipWhip. So you would want to reach out to your administrator to learn more information about those integrations. And lastly, we've got our job board section, which allows you to enter in any specific credentials for job boards you would like to search from within Tracker. So for example here, you can see I'm connected to LinkedIn, so I would be able to select candidates from my LinkedIn. The next tab we have in the main menu is Screen Settings. And here you can see it's more of a visual editing tool. So we've got our color, which you can change to black or keep as white. And you can change your header theme color to any of these. My favorite color is green, so I'm just going to go ahead and change it to green. Save. And then we've got our menu bar, which allows you to change the menu bar theme color. I like it to be dark. And then you can either change the placement of the menu bar to be at the top of your screen like mine is, or you can have it on the left. And then lastly, we've got our layout tab, which allows you to have a fixed header, fixed sidebar, or a fixed title bar. And then you just hit save and close once you've chosen these options. And just keep in mind with those layout options, you don't have to worry about those affecting other users in your system. Since Tracker is completely customizable, it'll just affect your own database. The next tab we have here is the Tools and Settings. And you can see here that the tabs on the left side of your screen under Tools and Settings, these tabs allow you to change your system settings. So we've got application settings, collaboration, and so forth here. And then you can also edit your settings by clicking into one of the common actions below. And the next tab in our main menu is going to be the Raise a Support Ticket. And if you have any feature suggestions or questions for our support team, you can add a ticket for them through this tab here. Next, we've got the quick tour of evolution. So say you are new to our system, this is a great resource to utilize if you would like a quick guided overview of Tracker. And then we've got our what's new in evolution. And this section is where you can go to learn more about new features we have recently rolled out within Tracker's database. And then lastly here, we've got our Tracker RMS help section. And by clicking here, you'll be able to access all of the Tracker RMS help files to view and learn from.